What's up YouTube, G-Money here. Who's interested in learning how to put pop rivets into a 66 Ford Mustang? Well, today I will be blessing you with that information. First, let's look at the old pop rivets. Two pop rivets right here. There is a hole, which there used to be a pop rivet. Two more right there. And two empty holes right there. So 3 of them have already been taken out. The rest of them still need to be drilled out. So let's start with drilling the old pop rivets out. Pop rivets come in different sizes. Depending on how big the rivet you need is the size you want. As long as one of these rivets clears the distance that you're trying to pop rivet, you should be good. Just stick it into the hole that you're trying to pop rivet and make sure you feel the end on the other side, which I do, so I could use the smallest one. This is the pop rivet and this is the gun. What you do is you stick the needle end inside and you're good. Alright, this is a completely different day because the rivets that I got were long enough. The only thing is that they were not thick enough. So you want to make sure to grab a rivet that is the exact the thick part of the rivet has to be the exact size of your hole, basically. So now that I have the correct rivets, let's put them in. Okay, all rivets are done. Every single one. It looks beautiful. And then everything is fully attached. Now I know these bolts still need to be attached, but these rivets are on. Can't really move them. So that's how you put in rivets. If you reach, I teach. So reach out what you want to learn next.